Thanks for listening to the January 2025 edition of The Green Screen. Here we'll be featuring the articles that appear on the cover of the upcoming issue of the Green Journal. The first is Effect of an Intensive Nurse Home Visiting Program on Postpartum Contraception Use and Birth Spacing, a randomized controlled trial. Also accompanied by an editorial titled Home Visiting to Prevent Unintended Pregnancies. The next two articles, Effects of Routine Catheterization on Urinary Tract Infection Rates After Minor Gynecologic Procedures, and Trends in Urinary Tract Infection Management in Women, are accompanied by the editorial Urinary Tract Infections, an Age-Old Problem That Demands New Solutions. Other articles appearing on the cover include Optimization of Timing for Risk-Reducing Salpingectomy and Oophorectomy, Uterine Leiomyomas and Reproduction, a Narrative Review, Association between novel antiphospholipid antibodies and adverse pregnancy outcomes, Effectiveness of an intrauterine balloon tamponade compared with an intrauterine vacuum-induced hemorrhage control device for postpartum hemorrhage, Transcutaneous electric nerve stimulation for analgesia during outpatient endometrial biopsy, a randomized controlled trial, one of the articles featured on this month's podcast, and two ACOG clinical practice updates. The first on age to initiate routine breast cancer screening, and the second is management of full-term nulliparous individuals without medical indication for delivery. You can hear about these articles and more on the Green Room podcast at greenjournal.org or wherever you find your favorite podcast. Thanks for listening to this month's edition of The Green Screen. Visit greenjournal.org or pick up your copy of the print edition to read even more articles dedicated to improving the clinical practice of obstetrics and gynecology.